Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about 5 mindset shifts you need for self-driving cars to thrive. The first mindset shift you need is embracing change. Self-driving cars are revolutionizing the way we travel, and it's important to adapt to this new technology with an open mind. Next, let go of control. Trusting the capabilities of self-driving cars can be challenging, but relinquishing control allows these vehicles to operate efficiently and safely. Remember to prioritize safety. While self-driving cars are designed to make our lives easier, it's crucial to prioritize safety by following guidelines and remaining alert while on the road. Lastly, be patient. Self-driving technology is still evolving, so it's essential to remain patient as the kinks are worked out and the technology improves over time. So, there you have it, 5 mindset shifts you need for self-driving cars to thrive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, keep an open mind and trust in the future of transportation. See you next time.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about how you can boost your focus with the help of neural networks and some mindful tips. First, it's important to understand that our brains are constantly bombarded with information, making it difficult to stay focused. Neural networks, inspired by the human brain, can help us filter out distractions and improve our attention span. One way to leverage this technology is by using focus apps that utilize neural networks to track and enhance your concentration levels. Secondly, practicing mindfulness can also significantly improve your focus. By being present in the moment and letting go of distractions, you can train your brain to stay on task and be more productive. Techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, and mindful eating can all help you sharpen your focus and boost your cognitive abilities. So next time you find yourself struggling to concentrate.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about mastering AI and how understanding mindset is crucial for achieving success. Firstly, mindset plays a key role in how we approach challenges. By having a growth mindset, we can embrace failures as opportunities to learn and grow. This mindset shift can help us stay motivated and resilient in the face of setbacks. Secondly, understanding the power of positive thinking is essential for success. By cultivating a positive mindset, we can attract opportunities and solutions that align with our goals. It's all about training our brains to focus on what we want to achieve, rather than what we fear. Remember, mastering AI is not just about technology, it's also about mastering your own mindset. By aligning your thoughts and beliefs with your goals, you can create the success you desire. Uplifting ending sentence, so, embrace a growth mindset, stay positive, and watch how your success unfolds. You've got this.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you 5 tips to improve your focus for blockchain success. First, set clear goals. Knowing exactly what you want to achieve in the blockchain space will help you stay focused and motivated. Second, eliminate distractions. Whether it's turning off notifications or finding a quiet workspace, minimizing distractions will allow you to concentrate fully on your blockchain tasks. Next, prioritize your tasks. Make a to-do list and tackle the most important tasks first. This will help you stay organized and on track towards your blockchain goals. Lastly, take breaks. It's important to give your brain a rest to avoid burnout. Step away from your work, go for a walk, or practice mindfulness to recharge your focus. Remember, improving your focus is key to achieving success in blockchain. Stay determined, stay focused, and you'll reach your goals in no time. Uplifting ending sentence. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see all the amazing things you'll accomplish in the blockchain world. Stay focused and keep shining. Hey there, have you ever wondered how blockchain technology could completely transform your daily routine? Well, you're in for a treat because today, I'm going to share with you 5 ways that blockchain could revolutionize the way you go about your day. First off, imagine never having to worry about losing your important documents or files again. With blockchain's secure and decentralized storage system, you can safely store all your data without the fear of it getting lost or stolen. Now, let's talk about shopping. Blockchain technology can make online transactions more secure and transparent, giving you peace of mind when making purchases online. And how about healthcare? Blockchain can streamline medical records, making it easier for you and your healthcare providers to access and share important information securely. In conclusion, blockchain technology has the potential to simplify and secure many aspects of our daily lives, from data storage to financial transactions. So, why not embrace this revolutionary technology and see the positive impact it can have on your daily